Hello, this is Derek with Genesis Support. I'm going to show you how to enable your email account, your Gmail account, to be used with external applications such as Microsoft Outlook or, in this case, Genesis. Open up your web browser. You can use Chrome or Internet Explorer. I prefer Chrome. Go to the website www.gmail.com. And when you go to Gmail, you may have to log in. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in and you're loaded to your mailbox, click on this settings or this gear icon in the top right. And then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once your settings page loads, near the top, up in the middle, click on Forwarding and POP/IMAP, about right here where this blue ends. After you click on this, you'll see the section IMAP Access. Status IMAP is disabled. Click the radio button beside of Enable IMAP. And you'll notice when I enable this, more options come up. This is the only thing you have to change. And once you have a dot in Enable IMAP, click on Save Changes. This will allow you to use your Gmail with external applications like Microsoft Outlook, Thunderbird, and in this case, Genesis. Thank you.